Hey, welcome back to another video on how to fix online. In today's video, we are going to learn how to fix Xbox application login not working. First of all, make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or cellular data, and try logging in again. Also make sure that you are typing correct information while logging in. The next step is that you can close the application from your app launcher. Simply swipe from the bottom of your screen and push the application in upward direction. Next step is that you can check for any updates available of that application. Search for Xbox in the App Store and click on the application. If there is any updates available, you can see an update button. Tap on it to download the latest version of it. The last step is that you can reinstall the application by simply deleting it and installing it once again. Delete the application and search the application on your App Store and download it once again. After that, try logging in to your account. I hope these fixes help you to solve login issue on your Xbox application. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.